Today was an exciting day at our school as Wandering Minds PH visited us for our holiday science exhibit.
Okay, raise your hand if you are grade 1. Alright, put your hands down. So are you excited? Paano yung mukha ng excited? Alright. So, before we start grade 1, by the way, you can call me Ate Shella or Miss Shella. What's my name? Ate Shella. Again, what's my name? Alright, so what we have here in your first station is actually what we call Science Manipulative Exhibit. So, really? Illusions are magic? No, it's science. So again, is it magic? No, it's science. So just like this one, who can you see here? Okay, who can you see here? Okay, so you're saying it's Mario, they're saying it's Luigi. Alright, but actually kids, here is Luigi, here is Mario. So this or kuya dito sa Beseda. Okay, you go beside Ate Shada. Can you close your eyes? Close your eyes. Can you read? Who's that? Alright, sino yan? Alina, kasi ako ba? Oh, kasi ba? Oh, kasi ba? Ay, sila ba? Alright. So, do you think it's magic?
The first activity we experienced was the Science Manipulative Exhibit. We explored different inventions and interactive setups that made learning science fun and engaging.
Close your eyes, eh? That's it.
Wonderland. And for this station, I'm going to be your lab leader. My name is Professor Gab. Okay, so good morning, everyone.
The second part of this exhibit was Wonder Lab Show.
Wow. Okay, very good. Thank you. Now, who wants to see some magic? Raise your hand. Wow. What about, I'm going to ask you, what is your favorite subject? Yes, very good. Okay, math. What about science? Raise your hands. All right. Okay, that's very good because today we are going to unlock the magic of science, or we're going to do some magic using the powers of science. But before we start, I'm gonna tell you first the rules inside my water lab. Okay, now rule number 1, all the experiments that you are going to see or that you're going to watch is performed by professionals. And if you want to try those experiments at your house or at your home, make sure that you have your parents or guardians assistants, okay? Now, who is familiar with this machine? Raise your hands. What is this machine? Do you know? What's this machine? What's the name of this machine? Okay, now this machine is called the Van de Graaff. What is it called? The Van de Graaff. Again. Very good. And now, water, ano po ang mangyayari? The water will, very good, the water will disappear. Now, meron po tayo dito 3 plastic cups. What is the color of the plastic cups? Very good. Now, I'm going to put some water into the plastic cups, okay? So, we have water now. Now, maglalaro po tayo. We're going to play a game, okay? You need to find the cup that has the water inside, okay? Alright, so sit properly, nobody will stand. I'm going to shuffle this. Make it very fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now where is the water? Now, okay, who says that the water is here? You? Okay, that's right. Can you count in 3, 2, 1? Okay, very good. The water is not here. What about here? Okay, let's try it. 3, 2, 1. All right, very good. Now, who says that the water is here? You? Okay, let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that is the disappearing water. Now, where did the water go? Did it magically disappear? Or there is a science behind this trick? Now, sit down, everybody, please. Sit properly. Now, the science behind this trick is because earlier I put some super absorbent polymer or polymer powder. Now, the polymer powder is a highly absorbent chemical that can absorb the water up to 300 times its weight. So, the water that I put in here, okay, so I'm going to put the betadine into the clear water. Now, what is the color of the water now? Very good, brown. All right. Now, earlier, Kuya Gab prepared some of my magic water. Now, this magic water can clean any dirty water. Okay, now, do you think my magic water can clean this brown water? Okay, let's try. Can you count in 3, 2, 1? Okay, so that is the vanishing color. Now, what is the science behind this trick? Is this really a magic water, or it is actually a chemical? What do you think is this? Chemical? Okay, very good. All right, any guess? create gas using the bubbles of the liquid detergent. Okay, are you ready to see the Human Torch? Okay, let's see the Human Torch in 3, 2, 1, flame on! Okay, another one. 3, 2, 1, flame on! Alright. Okay, so that is all of our experiments inside the Wonder Lab. I hope that you learned a lot and I hope that you enjoyed it. Now, pwede po tayo magpa-picture with Professor Wamisai. Okay. Sit down na.
Alright, so everybody, just sit, relax, and enjoy the show.
This was the last part of our exhibit, the 3D show. We put on our 3D glasses and everything felt like it was coming out of the screen. We even tried to reach for it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!